Think agriculture is boring? Think again. These machines are not just your run-of-the-mill tractors. They're colossal, they're clever, and they're ready to revolutionize farming. First up, we have the Wild Blueberry Harvester. This little wonder is designed to make picking wild blueberries a breeze. Gone are the days of painstakingly picking these tiny berries by hand. Now you can harvest them in no time with this ingenious machine. The Robomax JD Sod Harvester from Brower is here to level up your turf game. This bad boy is all about boosting your business performance. It cranks out pallet after pallet of 16, 23, or 24 small rolls in all kinds of stacking patterns, even when the going gets tough. Hortomat is your go-to for buying, selling, revamping, and installing used horticultural gear and machines. Now, let's talk about the Weterings Super Bio Chopper. This machine processes biodegradable crops like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Your crops travel on a ground cloth into the shredder, which chews them up and spits them into an integrated buffer. Watching the process is absolutely mind-blowing. Next up, we've got the Colossal multi-farming system stick rake, perfect for sprucing up the site after stump grinding. It's part of a new range of farm machines for small acreage farming and land clearing in Australia. With its heavy-duty build and high-quality materials, the stick rake is ready for the harshest Aussie conditions. Laser weeding in densely packed chard. This revolutionary technology uses high-density lasers to precisely target and destroy weeds while leaving your crops untouched. Say goodbye to back-breaking weeding sessions and hello to efficient, chemical-free weed management. this. For larger scale farming operations, the Lynx Dynasty 24-row strip till is a game changer. This heavy-duty machine uses advanced technology to create deep strips in the soil, minimizing disturbance and preserving soil structure. With its impressive 24 rows, this strip till machine can cover more ground in less time compared to traditional tillage methods. Banana tree cutting machine, simple but oh so effective. Meet the banana tree cutting machine, your new best buddy for tree chopping mayhem. It's like taking a lightsaber to those banana trees. The small but mighty tractor shoves the flexible trees forward, and with its massive rotating blade at the back, it slices through them like a hot knife through butter. With razor-sharp blades and a rock-solid design, this beast can hack through multiple banana trees in one go, saving you tons of time and effort. Say goodbye to backbreaking labor and hello to the tractor-operated reaper cum binder. This clever machine combines the power of a tractor with the precision of a reaper and binder, making harvesting crops a breeze. Whether you're dealing with wheat, rice, or oats, this versatile tool can handle it all. What you may see as a muddy mess, we see as a beautiful rice field ready for the rice transplanter machine. This handy little contraption takes the back-breaking work out of transplanting rice seedlings into flooded fields. With its precise planting and spacing capabilities, you can say goodbye to unevenly planted rows and hello to uniform, healthy crops. This next machine is not one to mess with. The excavator mulcher, also known as the forestry mulcher, is a powerful tool that can make short work of even the toughest and tallest trees and brush. With its rotating blades and hydraulic arm, it can shred even the tallest trees, making it perfect for forestry work. Watching this beast in action is like watching a giant lawnmower on steroids, shredding trees like blades of grass. When it comes to clearing large areas of land, the old-fashioned way just won't cut it. That's where the anchor chain and bulldozer come in. With its strong anchor chain and bulldozer blade, this dynamic duo can pull out even the largest trees and clear away dense underbrush with ease. It's a sight to behold as they work together, transforming a thick forest into an open field. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the world of agriculture machines. Who knew farming could be so exciting? Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. And if you have any suggestions for other amazing agriculture machines, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.